Hello everyone. So in this part of the video, I would like to walk you guys through on how to style text. And there are two main ways that we usually style text in most of the Tailwind projects. So first of all, it's all about color of the text and also the size of the text. And these are the main two stylings that we usually manipulate of a text. So let's get started with actually how to add color to your text here. So in this case, I would like to show some of the documentations that we can actually gather from Tailwind docs. And there you go. Inside our Tailwind docs right here, as you can see, you are able to give your text a certain color. For example, like here, as you can see, there are a lot of ways you can give color. And the most common way to give color to your text is by actually saying text dash the color that you like to give, followed by the intensity of your color. And this particular intensity can be ranging from 50 to 900. So I would like to walk you through about this particular color intensities even more deeply. So I'd like to go to another docs of Tailwind like this here. As you can see, this is a sample of colors that you can actually take from. As you can see on our left hand side here, this is the name of the colors that you can actually take from. For example, there's red, there's gray, and then there's also other colors like green, blue, and all those colors here. So as you can see, all these colors are actually ranging from intensities specifically from 50 to 900. So this is how you're able to get this particular color's intensity. And now we are back to our React project. So all you have to do in order to add color, all you have to do is just go to this particular h1 tag right here. I'll have to open a class name for this. And inside this class name, I'll have to add text equals to rate, and this particular rate can be anything within 50 to 900. So in this case, I like to give around like 500. And once you click save, you're able to find your color has been applied right here. And this is a simple way to actually add color to your text right here. So in this case, you can also change the color from 500 to 900 just so that you're able to see more intensity of the color rate. And there you go. Right now, you're able to set to any colors between 50 to 500 like this. And that's the basic idea of how you're able to add colors to any of your text in your Tailwind. Next up, let's look at this on how to change the size of this particular text here. We can actually change the size of our font based on their font size right here. This font size properties can actually reflect your size of the font right here. So in this case, you are able to change the size of your text just by saying text equals to XS, SM, all the way up to 9XL here. So in this case, this is the basic idea of how you're able to change the size of your text. So usually we'll be using LG and XL all the way up to 9XL. This is the mostly used. So if you are able to use it in our Tailwind project, all you have to do is just need to add a sample size. In this case, I like to say text equals to LG. Just like this. Once you click save, you're able to find your size has just increased just a bit right here. And in this case, first of all, I'll keep it to 200 size. First, I can just change this from LG to XL. And when I change XL, it became a bit more bigger. You can also increase the size up to 9XL. In this case, like we give 9XL like this. And once you click save, you're able to find the size has been increased to the max like this. And this is how you're able to make use of the size of your text right here. This scale, I'll just like keep on like 5XL should. And next thing would be to you can actually change the thickness of your font as well. Or in this case, we can call the font weight. So in this case, your font weight can be ranging from thin to up to black. And this is basically how thick you like your font to be. In this case, you are able to find font equals to light up until to font equals to bold and so on. Actually, there's light, there's thin until black. So all you have to do is in order to apply these particular properties, all you have to do just need to say font dash followed by the thickness of your font. So in this case, let's apply this into our Tailwind project, and we can actually apply that particular font weight properties just by saying font equals to bold. Just like this. Once you click save, you're able to find your font has just increased its thickness. So this is how you're able to change its particular font weight as well. And there you go. Right now we have already covered three main important properties of your text, and that's the end of this particular part of the video. Let's catch up on the next one.